If your Amazon account is bleeding cash, you're just not generating sales, you're thinking about getting off of Amazon, you want to watch this because I'm going to be walking you through some expert tips that nobody talks about, right? So of course, if you do have a listing and you show the first image, right? You show it to a 10-year-old and they don't understand what it is just by the first image, your first image sucks, okay? So your whole listing needs to be idiot proof. It needs to be attention grabbing. When people look at it, within a split second, they need to know what the product is, right? So that's just part of it. Obviously, the secondary images and stuff and the reviews are important, but that's going to be the first start to your listing. Next is going to be Amazon Seller Central and the campaign manager specifically inside of Amazon. If you can master this, Amazon ads, then you will be successful on Amazon. And I'm going to explain why. Now, I'm not going over suspension, but I am going over how to increase your sales and stop the bleeding. And the ads is the best thing you can do. Because if you master ads, what happens is you can spend not even $1, 74 cents, and then make $100 in return on ads, right? That's pretty hard to beat. And we've done it multiple times. Spend $2, made $100, pretty darn good. And you can maintain that and then you can grow and you can scale. So a lot of this is learning how to do ads. Of course, there's the product, the image and all that, but it all comes together. If you can get your advertising cost per click down, right, then you're going to win. That's it. That's the game, right? And to explain it better, when you run ads, most people, they don't know what they're doing. And they're spending $1. So you show up, when you run an ad on Amazon, you show up number one. You're number one. People will click on your listing. But if you're spending $1 and your listing's not that great, you're spending $1, you're going to get 100 clicks and you're going to not get a sale and you lost $100. But did you know you can get this down to 2 cents? So instead of spending $1 per click, now the customer is clicking on it and you're spending 2 cents. So for 100 clicks, usually you're spending $100, but now 100 clicks, you're spending $2. $2 compared to 100. You will win. It's very, very, very likely if you're spending 2 cents per click, you're going to win, right? So you need to learn how to get to that, right? Lowering your cost per click. That's going to be the first thing. And then the second most important thing is improving your listing. If your listing sucks, ads will suck too, right? If you're spending 2 cents per click, you'll still probably generate sales, right? But we want to make sure your listing's good. Nobody wants to buy a listing with 3-star reviews or bad images or no reviews, right? Just think about yourself. You're the customer. We even have a checklist before you're running ads. The reviews, the title, the bullet points, the A+ content. Do you have images? Are you FBA? Do you have the buy box? Are you listing health, pricing? All of these things matter. And what you can also do is hire an expert that will do an actual audit on your listing and won't BS you. If you can't do the audit yourself, which you can, I literally just kind of went through some steps that you can do, a little checklist. But if you want an actual expert to review multiple listings or your entire account, they can. We offer a free listing audit, but you can always hire somebody. You can do it yourself. You can hire us, whatever you want to do, where somebody's not going to BS you and they're going to tell you, look, this is what's wrong with your listing. And at least you'll know. But on top of that, what you can do is look at the top competitors and you can be like, okay, the top competitor is making $10,000 a month. I'm making $500 a month. It's not enough. You need to make at least $5,000 a month to break even or something. And you can use tools like Helium 10. So in the description, we do have a link to Helium 10 if you wanted to check that out. And what you can do with Helium 10 is, let's say you're selling this tennis ball shooter, right? It shoots tennis balls and wiffle balls. Very, very cool. And we want to run ads. So what you can do is actually look at the top competitor. So this is the top competitor. there shoots tennis balls too, and they're making $27,000 a month. You can go to the tool called Helium 10, right? Here it is, Cerebro. And what you do is you can type in the competitor's product. So you type in the competitor's product, you get the ASIN. Here it is. Type it in. And then it shows you exactly what keywords they're running ads for. You can see exactly what keywords. So we're going to scroll to the right, sponsored rank. This is the exact keywords right here that they're actually spending money on: heater, pitching machine, tennis ball launcher. So you know exactly what keywords they're running for Amazon. And why does that matter? Because you don't have to guess anymore. You know what keywords work, right? Obviously, you need to do an audit. You need to look at the competitors too. If your product, for example, this is a brand new one, it's $379. The top competitor is only $239. So it's going to be very hard for us to win. We need to make sure we have a good price, right? We're being competitive. We're not just putting our head in the sand and not looking at the competitors. That's when you drop the price. There's a price strategy where you lower your price, you start generating sales, even if it's at a bit of a loss, and then you slowly start to increase it, right? Once you get more sales, more reviews, you start gaining momentum. Very, very important. And then once you implement all of this, and you are implementing this, you check those ads, you check that listing, you check your competitors, you do an analysis every single day. Now, this is a business, and you want to stay on top of it. So you'll figure out what is giving you the biggest ROI, and you can double down on that. And by doubling down, I mean logging in, learning something new every day, and taking that in, testing. And that's going to be a part of it. I gave you a big checklist already. And if you do need help, you can feel free to contact us. We are Amazon experts. We're happy to help you. We do free listing audits, so at least you can see what's going on and get some honest opinions. That's my recommendation. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.